When you repeat this process, trust me, come on, within 6 months to a year, you'll be a fully matured seven-figure online business owner. Don't forget, shut the noise, focus on what matters. In this video, I'll be sharing with you how to make thousands of money online. So no long talk, let's get this video started. The moment I realized that making money online was real was when I sold my French course online. And when I saw money rolling in, oh my God, from the comfort of my home, that was a wake-up call that, see, making money online is real, not be jokes. So now my goal is to build a solid online business in 6 months. And I believe you also watching me, it's also possible for you. Additionally, I've seen successful online business owners in this same space that are making money, 7 figures, 6 figures, making money online. And I know it is possible for us. So my advice to you watching me right now is number one, find the skill you can monetize. What skill can you monetize? So if right now you don't even know what to monetize, or you feel you don't have any skill you can monetize, please do well to watch this video. I spoke in details on how to find your skills you can monetize. And even if you don't have skills, I mentioned some skills there that you can monetize. Number two is to position yourself on social media. I will repeat again. I say this to anybody that is willing to hear that social media is the only platform that will give you a global stage to showcase your skill, your personality to the world without paying for space. I'll repeat it again. Social media is the only platform that will showcase you to the global audience without you needing to pay for space. Number three is, don't forget, the first one is that what? Find a skill you can monetize. Number two, position yourself on social media. Number three is to what? Build and connect with your audience. You have to share valuable content. You have to ensure that you are reliable, you help people online, or when people come to you, they know that it's something valuable. Or whenever they see you post a video, they know that this baby girl has something valuable to share. That's number three. Number four is what? Is for you to stay consistent. Consistency would help your audience invest in your journey. Consistency will help your audience invest in your journey because now, at this point, they've built trust. They know you, they see you. It's not that you post this month and next month you are no longer posting. And it's not only for YouTube. I'm talking about any form of social media you choose: LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook, X, Pinterest, any form of social media you choose. Ensure you stay committed. Ensure people see you. You are consistent. Whatsoever, if you say you want to post 2-3 times a day, post. Ensure that way people are able to engage, build trust, and know you, know your personality, see you for who you are. That's number five, is to sell. Sell and make money. Absolutely. You have to sell. The audience trusts you. They've invested in your journey. What are you waiting for? So this is time for you to sell. You sell valuable skill to help them become a better version of themselves, to help their business, whatsoever. Selling has to do with, it's two ways, giving and taking. So you have to ensure that what you are selling is valuable. And the last point is to repeat the process. Do it all over again. Stay consistent. Share valuable information out there and sell. When you repeat this process, trust me, come on, within 6 months to a year, you'll be a fully matured seven-figure online business owner in whatever social media platform that you choose. And the take-home point I will leave you with is that shut out the noise and focus on what matters. If you can follow this 6 steps I just explained to you, trust me, in no time, everything you believe. That's the abundance mindset we talk about. You believe you deserve this. The universe is going to embrace, is going to ensure that that comes to you. So please do well to check the description box. I have link to the French course, and I also have link to virtual assistant template that can help you make money online. So please do well to use the links in the description box to your advantage. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you found this helpful. Please do well to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in another video. Don't forget, shut the noise. Focus on what matters. Au revoir. I'll see you in another video. Bye for now.